everyone, welcome back to T2 Transit. I am currently at Woy Woy where I'm going to film some morning peak trains. As exactly a year ago today, I did a video here at Woy Woy titled Afternoon Peak Trains. So I thought, why not do a morning peak trains? Except this video will not include as many V sets and will include, I think, 2 D sets. We now have a central service arriving into platform 1. H53 are the front 4 cars. And an untagged set at the rear. We now have another central service arriving into platform 1. H10 are the front 4 cars. H24 are the rear 4 cars. We now have a Wyong service that might be H45 are the front 4 cars. A Wyong service it is. H38 are the rear 4 cars. We now have another central service coming into platform 1. H2 are the front 4 cars. Rear 4 cars are H28. We now have an XBT coming through platform 2. XP2000 and XP2003 are the power cars. We now have a Marang Young D set arriving into platform 1 for a central service. D51 are the front 4 cars. D61 are the rear 4 cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Wyong. First stop, Coolewong, then Tescott.
That was D51 and D61 departing for a central service. We now have another Marang Young D set arriving into platform 2 for a Wyong service. D60 are the front 4 cars. D54 are the rear